Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Lamborghini has dropped the first tantalizing teaser of its highly awaited Huracan successor, rumored to be named the Temerario. While details are scarce, the Italian automaker has unveiled a striking hexagonal taillight design, hinting at an aggressive and futuristic aesthetic. This latest teaser follows the recent spotting of test mules showcasing similar taillight clusters, confirming the production model's design direction. The hexagonal elements, reminiscent of the Revuelto, suggest a strong connection to Lamborghini's electrified future. The Lamborghini Temerario will debut on August 16. Expectations are high for the Temerario, with rumors suggesting a potent hybrid powertrain combining a twin turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors. The car is set to be unveiled at Monterey Car Week, promising a performance benchmark for the supercar segment. As the reveal date approaches, anticipation for the Temerario is building, and Lamborghini enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the full unveiling of this extraordinary machine. The new powertrain revs up to 10,000 revolutions per minute and is capable of outputting over 887 horsepower. This is 250 plus horses more than the potent Huracan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.